Grammar quiz 2A used to be used to. Part 1. Fill in the blanks with used to or be used to. 呢個 Part 1預你哋係一定攞滿分㗎，而前提係你睇咗之前拍俾你嘅教學影片，明咗之後做練習，唔明嘅話又已經問返。如果之前你冇經歷呢個步驟，今次測驗當然低分啦。不過唔緊要，你考試都可以攞返高分㗎。好啦，而家我哋嚟睇一睇先。Used to 同 be used to， 最基本你要知嘅係 used to 後邊係假，要擺 bare infinitive。Example: used to go, used to eat。呢個 bare infinitive 係冇 ing， 唔係 past tense， 冇 ed， 乜都冇。而喺 be used to 後邊係要擺 gerund 㗎。例子 I am used to going。She is used to eating。嗱 gerund 即係 verb 再加 ing 啦。而 verb to be 呢，留意係可以係 is am are， 亦都可以係 was were will be 等等。有咗呢一個基本概念，你做呢一個練習其實就好簡單啦。望一望以下10題，3、4、5、8同埋9個 blank 後邊嗰個 verb 係 infinitive 嚟㗎，咁你就知道一定係用 used to。答案已經出咗嚟啦。剩翻嘅題目，你見到個 blank 後邊嗰個 verb 都係 ing form gerund， 咁即係話一定係 be used to。咁但係要留意呢個 be used to 個 be 呢，可以係 is、am 或者 are 㗎，係唔可以就咁寫個 be 落去嘅喎。好，基本嘢 he、she、it 會用 is，I 會用 am， 而 they、we、you 就會用 are。有咗呢一個基本概念，咁剩翻嘅題目就好簡單啦。呢個就係答案。Miss Lee is the old man， 即係 he 啦 is。Mr. Chan 即是 he 啦，就 is。They are I am used to。呢一 part 係寫句子，睇一睇題目。Read how Aunt Sandy has changed and make sentences using used to or did not used to。嗱，有好多嘅同學係冇睇題目㗎，講明咗用 used to or did not used to。留意呢個 use 嗰個 ed 已經冇咗，去咗個 did 嗰度㗎啦，所以係 did not use to 係冇 d 㗎。咁所以如果你寫咗咩 is am are was used to 啊，呢啲都係奇怪㗎啦。然之後喺 did not use 後邊加咗個 d 又係怪嘅。然之後用 never used to 又係怪嘅。點解人哋都冇話要用 never， 人哋話用 did not used to 啊嘛。好，跟住就睇翻例子。Example: drank milk tea。呢個係 past 嘅，你見到用咗 past tense。Now drink lemon tea。Example: Aunt Sandy used to drink milk tea, but now she drinks lemon tea。留意用咗 used to 後邊呢個係 bare infinitive， 嗱個 drank 要轉咗做 drink。bare infinitive drink drank drunk drink。而呢個 now 我哋要用 simple present tense， 即係話 he she it 嘅話要加 s 變做 drinks。 Number 1. In the past, sang Cantonese songs. Now, sing Korean songs. Number 1. Aunt Sandy used to sang 要轉咗做 sing， used to sing Cantonese songs, but now she sings Korean songs. Number 2. In the past, read Chinese books. Now read English books. Read, read. 讀音唔同咗，串法一樣。Number 2. Aunt Sandy used to read Chinese books, but now she reads English books. Number 3. Past. Was fat. Now be slim. Aunt Sandy used to 要用 bare infinitive. Verb table be was were been， 所以 bare infinitive 係 be。千祈唔好寫 was fat， 又唔好寫 is fat， 亦都唔可以就咁查咗佢就咁寫 fat， 係唔得㗎。Aunt Sandy used to be fat, but now she it is slim. Number 4. In the past, did not like eating fruit. Now eat fruit every day. 好啦，題目話明要用did not used to， 咁即係佢以前唔中意食水果㗎。Aunt Sandy did not used to。呢個 use 你記住係冇咗個 d 㗎，你可以想像佢嘅過去式去咗 did 嗰度。Did not used to like eating fruit, but now she eats。加翻個 s fruit every day. Number 5. Past did not do exercise. Now do exercise every day. 又用 did not used to. Aunt Sandy did not used to do exercise, but now she does exercise every day. Part B. You are texting with your friend James. Complete the conversation with be or be not used to and the words in brackets. 留意人哋講明係一定要用 be 或者係 be not used to。咁即係話 be 嘅 used to 後邊一定係 ing 噶嘛，即係話一定係要加 ing 噶啦。有同學唔知點解又寫咗 be used to， 但係呢就係冇加 ing。亦有同學喺呢個 section 裏面呢係用咗就咁 used to 㗎。好，再重溫一次 be used to 後邊係 gerund 㗎。咁即係話呢個練習你要留意嘅就係只係需要用邊一個 be 啦。Hi, how are you? I feel tired. I stayed up late yesterday night. 我琴晚瞓好夜先瞓啦。I am not used to staying up late。你可能會問 Miss Lai 點解用 am？ 好明顯佢話我係冇呢一個習慣。我講嘅時候都係冇㗎，唔係淨係琴日先冇啊嘛。所以 I am not used to staying up late。 Why did you stay up late?I was reading an interesting book. 琴晚睇書睇到好夜。You used to reading different kinds of storybooks. 佢都係講緊佢而家嘅習慣。You are used to reading different kinds of storybooks. Yes, it is called the land of stories. I borrowed it from Jennifer.我之前咧喺 Jennifer 嗰度借㗎。She is used to recommending good books to others. Jennifer 咧佢係習慣咗咧，成日都推介啲好書俾人㗎。She is used to 都係講緊佢一路嘅習慣嚟㗎，唔係過去式㗎喎。She also lent me a novel a month ago, but I am not used to reading not long novels。 好啦，嗱，咁可能咧有同學就話啦，喂，呢度係過去式嘅噃，點解呢度唔係用 was 嘅？呢度又唔係用 was 嘅？嗱，佢每一句嘅意思咧都係有唔同㗎。喺呢一句佢係講佢一向都有呢個習慣，而呢度咧佢話咧佢上個月又借咗本書俾我啦。嗱，跟住後邊 but呢一度 I am not used to reading long novels 咧，就係話不過我一向都冇睇書睇長嘅小説嘅習慣。 嗱，咁所以咧，其實你要理解翻咧，佢講緊係個時間個時空係乜嘢？呢度佢話啊，佢上個月都借書啊，不過一向咧都冇，一向佢而家都仲係冇啊嘛。即係你要理解翻呢一樣嘢，你表達先會清楚。如果唔係咧，你表達唔清楚，你嘅讀者咧都會覺得你究竟係以前冇呢個習慣啦，定係而家冇呢個習慣啦。You should learn from your brother Simon. He used to spending most of his spare time reading novel. He is used to spending most of his spare time. 好啦，嗱，咁總括嚟講咧，呢一個練習兩大問題啦。第一，你哋冇睇題目，人哋講明係用 be used to， 咁即係一定係 be used to 後邊加 ing 㗎。而第二，你哋 verb to be 嗰度咧，見到前面嗰句用過去式，就諗都冇諗到咧，其實佢想表達嘅嘢就已經用咗過去式。嗱，呢一個咧喺呢個練習要留意㗎。好，祝願你哋考試攞滿分喺呢一個 exercise 裡面。拜拜。